Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a couple of ways to get your Z4 on jack stands. There may be other ways, but this is how I would go about it. So the tools you're going to need are wheel chocks, a low profile ramp, or some wood will be fine, a floor jack, and again, low profile preferred, jack stands, and a level surface to work on. There are a couple ways to go about it. First of all, I don't think anyone has a floor jack long and low enough to reach the front middle jack point. So if your floor jack isn't low enough to get under the side jack points, then you will need to drive up a low profile ramp or some wood. At this point, you can put the car in park and pull the brake up, then chock the rear wheels. If you don't have a ramp, but you do have a low profile floor jack, you can simply raise one side of the car and slide something sturdy under the wheels. Do this slowly, little by little, alternating each side so you don't get a major tilt. You will only need to get high enough so you can get to the middle front jack point. Once you reach that point, I would just lift the car high enough to slide the jack stands under at their lowest point. This is probably safer and leaves you more room for the floor jack in the rear. Then slowly lower the car onto the jack stands and make sure everything looks center, straight, and secure. Now we can move on to the rear. Find your rear center jack point and either raise it to the same height as the front or only slightly higher. If you do want to go higher than what you initially set, I would only raise one end at a time, alternating front and back to keep the tilt angle small. Just make sure you secure the jack stands every time you go up and down. Some safety tips. What I have noticed other people do is either put something like bricks or stands under the wheels, or if you're planning to take off the wheels, is put those wheels under the strong points of the car, just in case. Now when you're bringing the car back down, I would just do everything in reverse. I hope that this video helped you. Thanks for watching, and be safe.